amazing artists! Today, we're going to draw a delicious vegetable plate, complete with all your favorite veggies. Can you imagine all the colors and flavors? Let's bring it to life together. Ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. But before we dive into the world of color, let's start with a quick pencil sketch. Join me as we sketch out the essential elements: the knife, the fork, the round plate, a juicy tomato, a crunchy carrot, and a vibrant broccoli. It's going to be fantastic! Great job with the sketch! Now, it's time to grab your black marker and bring our vegetable plate to life. Let's start with the knife. Picture it gleaming and ready to slice. Now, let's draw the fork. It's there to help you enjoy your veggies with ease. So precise! Next, create a round plate. Imagine it holding all our delicious veggies. All through the town. What a tasty canvas! Let's draw a plump tomato, the reddest red you can imagine. So juicy! Draw a carrot, orange and vibrant. It's full of crunch. Lastly, add a broccoli. The greenest green you've ever seen. It's packed with nutrition. Our vegetable plate is coming together beautifully. But we're not done yet. To make it stand out even more, let's grab that black marker and make those outlines bold and sharp. Go over the entire drawing with bold lines. Make it pop and ready for our colors. Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. And now, the most fun part, coloring. Get ready, little artists. Let's add some vibrant colors to our delicious vegetable plate. Red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing Sky blue me? Color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Yellow color. Next time won't you sing with me? Blue color. Round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go orange swish, color. Swish, swish, all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Light beep, green beep, color. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had yellow color. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Red color.
Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses
Bottle
and all
green
the king's
color.
men couldn't put Humpty together.
Pink color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
And there you have it, our mouth-watering vegetable plate. I hope you enjoyed creating this tasty masterpiece as much as I did. Keep drawing, keep creating, and until next time, stay colorful. Bye-bye.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.